Hello, hello, hello. Welcome once again to a new lesson. This is for my pre-intermediate or intermediate students, and it's about trying to find the best way to improve our speaking skills, which is a some recurring topic we always talk about. How do we do that? Well, we had talk about many ways to improve the ways we express in real time. But the most important thing is that, like I always say, try not to think too much, because if you do that, that's where we lose the track, or we forgot the structure or what we've been talking, and that's the point where everything gets complicated, and as a result we feel frustrated. I don't think it's that's so good to feel frustrated about something, especially when you're learning how to manage your own skills. And I think that's a nice fact, when you realize that you are not able to connect one thing with another. It's something that you need to work on. How? Well, by just not thinking and trying to follow the subject. What is the thing that you talk about? What is the main thing that you follow? The problem, and what the problem was, and presenting the problem, and then make this sequence we always talk about. Make this sequence, or and how did you get to solve the problem? Or maybe every time you, or when it comes to opinions, talking about, I think, well, this is good because it has interesting things, features, or whatever, but always trying to make basic statements, not looking for fancy words, or technical words, because if you fall into that point, you thinking your native, maybe your native speaking language, if that's the point. Maybe we need to go basic in this point. We need to go a little bit down and try to express good, but I don't know, maybe, or yeah, I think it's good. And then follow your thoughts, and don't think about the tenses, don't think about the grammar, don't think about anything else. We've been talking about grammar, yeah, but for what? For writing, for improving the writing skills, not for talking. When you talk, you just communicate, and that's it. That's what you do. Just communicating, and you express an idea, you start it and you finish it, and that's pretty much it. So that's my advice for the people who wants to improve the way they communicate. In terms of having a training on speaking skills, well, we can work that on our lessons, but I strongly recommend you not think too much and try to make the same structure every time, over and over and over again. I hope this helped you. So I see you next time with another nice lesson of your English teacher. See you again. Bye.